Okay. All right. So good evening, guys. So again, so we are here from Cebu Technological University, Tapugan Extension, and we are secondary education. So right now we are going to present to you some presentation of our a group topic, which is the digital safety rules protecting yourself online. So guys, disclaimer, guys, this is for our project, which is from our subject in our program, which is the technology tools for teaching and learning process. So first, guys, um, allow us to introduce ourselves first. I am Trexon Muñez Baga. Uy, di sila muna. So I guess, guys, we are done in our introducing of ourselves. So first thing first, guys, let's set some rules before the discussion. So if you have anything or any questions on our presentations or any that you don't understood in our presentations or in our discussion, you are free to ask questions, guys. It's it's understand. So first is yeah, if you have something or any clarifications or any questions regarding on our topic, you are free to ask question, guys. All right. So let's begin. So wait. So first slide. So this presentation is presented by Ate Rosemary. But first, guys, first thing first, guys. Oh my God, nakalimot ko. So guys, let's have group mates. Let's appreciate this the persons on our the audience of these presentations, guys. Let's give a hand to them first. All right. So all right. Thank you so much in participating on in this presentation, guys. Thank you so much. We highly appreciate it. We highly appreciate your effort. So, all right, guys. So our topic is digital safety rules. So first slide at the Rose. So our topic is about digital safety rules. So first things first, at the Rose. So what are no the kuan at the Rose the what they call this the cognitive the goal of our topic. Yes, thank you. Right. So the objective of this presentation First is to enhance the audience knowledge of digital safety principles and practices. Second is encourage positive attitudes towards responsible digital behavior and online security. Lastly is equip participants with practical skills for implementing digital safety measures. So guys, this is our goal. And the end of these presentations, on these discussions, you are able to gain those objectives we presented. Alright guys, so next slide at the Rose, please. So our topic again is about digital safety rules. So, digital safety rules are guidelines to ensure safe and responsible use of digital platforms. They protect personal information, devices, and online presence for cyber threats such as hacking, identity theft, and database. Oh my God, Ate Rose. Ibalik Ate Rose, please. Sorry, guys. Alright, so when we say digital safety rules, so it is a for you guys, for us, or all of us individuals that are using any applications right now, such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, or Telegram, any applications, any applications that are that we use today. So in order for us to be safe online, we need to understand the rules and the digital safety rules on using those applications. So guys, so in order for us to be mindful, to be mindful on our to be mindful on using those applications, is we need to follow these digital safety rules, guys. So it's because it is very important since kanang okay, please, what do you call this? Um, Allow me to speak in vernacular. Sorry if I'm going to add some Bisaya. So para sad makasabot ang uban. Alright, so moingon galitag digital safety rules is ang kana bitaw igamit ato sa mga applications like Facebook and kuan is kana bitaw makahibaw na ta or mas maayo na ta mo gamit og kanang those applications kanang dili na ta like for example in those presentation, you can online presence from cyber threats. So in order for us to be kanang maaway bitaw ta sa cyber threats such as hacking, identity theft, and data breaches, is we need to follow the safety rules, guys. So next slide at the rules. So why digital safety rule is important? So guys, why do you think it is important? So we have listed here some important why is digital safety rule is important. So first, guys, is rising risk of cyber threats such as phishing and malware. So guys, when we say digital safety rule, so digital safety rule is very important, and it's very um important because as number one said, rising risk cyber threats such as phishing and malware. So, do you makabantay mo na guys, like naimotext sa inyuha, like naimotext sa inyuhang kanang number, naimotext sa inyuha nga kanang naimotext sa inyuha nga like for example nakadaog ko og kanang PHP 1000 ani, just claim here nya kanang tigaan mo link like that. That is somewhat an example of phishing. And also malware, guys, is kanabitaw like for example nay ka ng mga nay daghan nga kanang namay daghan nga malware guys, like for example avoid sad ta og kanang mo gamit bitaw og kanang like any kanang like kana bitaw mga links, dapat dili kay ta mo click ana guys, like kay for example man go daghan kayo na siya og kanang pwede man gud mahak ang imuhang kanang kuan na pwede man gud mahak ang imuhang kuan kay mo ig-enter ba nimo ana nga link guys is nabe ka nang nay maka-fill up ba ka og kanang anything or personal information. So dapat dili ka mo patuyang sad og hatag sa imong information, so dapat be mindful. So alright, so ug na may pangutana ha, pangutana lang sa kuha, it's okay. So you're free to ask question, guys. So for the two, we have helps prevent identity theft and unauthorized data access. So as what I've said earlier, nga kung for example atong ingon ako nga kanang og nagali ka ng kanang mga links or naay ka ng mga actually nasa sa Google ana, pwede man gani og kanang like for example na mga kanang like unsa man ni online gambling like that. Kay namang koy mo pwede sa ka mo download og mga kanang mga kanang mga games nga kanang mga kwarta kunuhay ka. But then again, dapat be mindful ta kay we are now an educated guy or an educated individual na, so we can kibaw na ta, dapat kanang kibaw na ta sa kanang unsay better nga action nga atong buhaton when it comes to that certain situation man. So daghan man gud og kanang daghan man paagi nga ma-hack ta guys, so dapat be mindful and kanang let's be aware na lang. So that's why we are here for you to give this safety rule. So second is helps prevent identity theft and unauthorized data access. Kay pwede man gud ka sa nato nga links and kanang kuan nato nga links and other game sites is mo fill up man gud ka og kanang information good. So muna ang dapat dili ka magpasagad na lang pud og hatag sa information sa imong names, sa imong kanang personal number, personal email, or imong even address. Kay that can kuan man good guys, that will be the kanang way sa mga hacker to hack your personal informations guys. So let's proceed to 3. So understood na ba? Right, so number 3, ensure safer online interactions. So ensure safer online interactions guys. So for example, so like as all individual I guess nga na-address sa ato ang presentations and coming from the audience and sa atong viewers right now, and also we from the presenters are using some applications, right? So like applications like Facebook, like Instagram, Twitter, like that. So inana mo good like ibutang nato sa kanang kuan nga nagamit tanan og kanang Facebook. 'Di ba? When it comes to ensure safer online interactions, guys, dapat dili lang pud ta patuyang og pasagad og kanang pambuli bitaw, like for example, like there are lots of posts online nga nay nag-post online then kanang nagpasagad na lang pud tag kanang comment like that nga pwede na to siya that is one abuse guys, it's an abuse, it's a cyberbullying kay digital man ta nasa online din imo siyang gibully or imo siyang gi komentan og bad kay wala ka ganay sa iya ha. So that is an example of kanang kuan safer online interaction. So dapat guys be mindful on your kanang before mo click or before mo mohatag og kanang comments, before mo mohatag og kanang suggestions I guess like that. So dapat ibutan nimo sa kuan ang imuhang ang imuhang pagpanulti bitaw guys. So dapat be kanang be mindful. So kanang think before you click. So that's it guys. So next, Ate Rose, please. Okay, so so we listed here some 7 digital safety rules online on using online. So first is use strong password. Yes, guys, it is very crucial when we are using some applications because it is personal information and personal account like that. So for example, if we are with like if we have any social media accounts, so we need to have some strong passwords guys, we need to use some strong passwords. So create complex passwords with letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using predictable informations. Yes guys, it is very crucial good guys nga dapat walay makahibalo nga lain sa ato ang kanang passwords when it comes to sa ato ang gigamit nga social media accounts, because kana man good guys pwede siya ma-hack and sorry guys, pwede man gud siya ma-hack, then pwede sad siya pwede man gud ka ng kabuangan na imong accounts when naay uban nga din makasud o makagamit sa imong account or makabalo sa imong passwords. So, example Ate Rose. So example, a strong password for your online banking account could be Jacqueline, like that. So, kamulay bahasa? So it includes uppercase, lowercase, number, and symbols, and it's long enough to be secure. Yes, guys. So that's what sa kanang look at the kanang text nga given, like for example kana, so that is an example of a strong password. So imposible pa kayo og ma-hack pa na or napoy makahibaw lain na nga password, di ba? So dapat inana nga passwords ang atong gamiton nga nag-includes og uppercase, lowercase, and it's long enough to be secure. Yes, it is secure kay tanawa, di ba? Lisod kay siya kanang timan, kanang lisod kay siya kanang lisod na kay siya makanang kuan kay daghan na kayo og kanang makuti-kuti bitaw. It's because it's for your own safety, guys. It's for your own safety. So it is also para sa dili ma-predict bitaw kanang dili lang ma-predict. So avoid using passwords, guys, nga kanang for example like kanang imuha lang pangan dayon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then pwede sa imo sang butangan nasa uban na password na gamit ang ABCDEFG. So dapat magamit jud ka ano yung mga lowercase numbers and symbols nga kana bitawng unpredictable and very secure in order for you to be safe online and para walay makahamper sa imong paggamit on any social media accounts. So that's my part, guys. Thank you so much for listening to me. So ang continue na ta. Manakot ako ang part. Dahil Trisha, ikaw na dahil. Sorry, sorry. Come tayo, i-open mo camera dahil. I-open mo camera para makita mo kagwapa. Yes. Okay ra, balikan na lang go. Right, mana dito siya. Kinsay next. Okay. All right. So those that we have discussed for you, that one by one, are those digital safety rules that we need to follow in order for us to be safer online. All right. So adjust privacy settings and be mindful of the personal information you share. So for us guys, we need to follow these rules, to follow these digital safety rules in order for us to be safe and para iwas ta sa kanang mga kanang scammer or hacker from the para malayo tanan nila guys. Alright, so by following these 7 digital safety rules, you can protect your personal information and ensure a safer online experience. Yes, it's very true. Since if we follow those steps or rules that we have discussed one by one for you, is if we manage to do that, so then we will have a good experience on any social media accounts and a safer online use. So next slide. All right, so references na pala. So guys, thank you for listening, and then if you have any clarifications or questions, you can ask. Right? So I think wala na siguro. So thank you for listening us guys. Thank you for thank you for listening and participating on our discussion and presentations to this for this from this night. So I hope guys you've learned something, and I hope ato asa ning ma-apply sa ato ang kanang paggamit o pag-use sa online applications right now. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Sa kanaduan. Uy, na si Jenry. Thank you kayo sa participation ko. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.